Hello students, welcome to your EVS class. So students, we are doing the chapter 12, workforce and energy. And in this chapter till now what we have seen what is a force. We have seen what four things force can do. What is frictional force? What are the good effects and bad effects of friction? Till here everything we have completed. Today we will start a new topic which is gravity or gravitational force. Now students, we know that there is a force of the earth. Earth का एक अपना force है which we call the gravitational force or gravity. And what does this force do? It attracts everything towards itself. और ये ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स जो अर्थ का फोर्स है ये क्या करता है, हर एक चीज़ अपनी तरफ आकर्षित करता है, अपनी तरफ अट्रैक्ट करता है. And this force is very important for us. Because of this gravitational force or gravity, it is known as gravity also, it is known as gravitational force also, both are same. So because of this gravity only we are able to stand straight on the ground. क्योंकि ये ग्रेविटी ही हमें अपनी तरफ खींच रहा है और सीधे खड़े होने में हेल्प कर रहा है. If this force would not be there, we would not be able to stand straight. We would be flying around. Take the example in moon. In moon, the gravity is very very less, so you're not able to walk. You might have seen astronauts जो moon पे खोज करने के लिए जाते हैं to study the surface of the moon. They are not able to walk properly because their gravity is very less. And this force is very important in our life. Otherwise what would happen? Here one example is given. Like if you throw a ball, if gravity would not be there, that ball would not come to us. वो बॉल हवा में ही तैरता रह जाता, वो बॉल हमारे पास वापस नहीं आता. जैसे ये देखो, we are throwing a ball and because of this gravity it is coming down, and gravity is acting in the downward direction every time. Okay, now so I think gravitational force is clear to you. In Hindi we call this gravitational force as Gurutvakarshan. This is the force of the earth. It is the force by which the earth pulls everything towards itself. Now next is your magnetic force. Magnet means chumbak. This is the force which is exerted by a magnet, or this is the force of a magnet. It is known as magnetic force. You might have seen stickers जो तुम लोग अलमीरा या फ्रिज में स्टिक करते हो. So how that stickers get stuck on that fridge and almirah? Because there is a magnet, and there is a property of magnet. Magnet का एक अपना property है कि वो लोहे को attract करता है. अगर मैग्नेट को, चुंबक को लोहे के पास ले जाओ तो वो अपने तरफ वो खींच लेगा. So this, it is the property of a magnet, and all magnets will attract metals. Like here it is given, you see here, they will attract things made of iron. Okay, जो लोहे से बना हुआ चीज़ है, मैग्नेट तो उसको अट्रैक्ट करेगा ही करेगा. बट few other metals like steel, nickel, cobalt, okay, they are also attracted by magnet. Now this magnetic force is very important. You will come to know where? In factories. बड़े बड़ा लोहा को उठाने में ये मैग्नेट का यूज़ होता है. Then अगर suppose you're playing with all pins, छोटा छोटा pins, board pins, वो अगर गिर जाता है एंड यू आर नॉट एबल टू फाइंड, तो एक काम करो, मैग्नेट लो और उसको फ्लोर पे जहाँ पे वो गिरा है, तुमको लग रहा है वहाँ पे गिरा है, वहाँ पे मैग्नेट घुमाओ, वो पिंस और ऑल पिंस जो भी गिरा है वो मैग्नेट में अट्रैक्ट हो जाएगा एंड यू विल बी एबल टू फाइंड इट. सो मैग्नेट इज़ यूजफुल इन मैनी वेज. सो these two things we will see today, the gravitational force and the magnetic force. And one more thing I would like to tell, like when till now we have seen that whatever we are doing, force is required in every sphere of life. Now two things we can draw or we can understand that when we want to move a heavy object, more force is required. Suppose you are moving an empty chair. अगर एग्जाम्पल लो डेस्क का ही, चेयर छोड़ो, डेस्क, मैम ने कहा यू मूव द डेस्क, बेंचेस को हटाओ, तो अगर उसमें कोई बैठा हुआ नहीं, आप आसानी से उसको हटा देते, लेकिन उसी में अगर स्टूडेंट्स बैठे हुए हो तब क्या ज़्यादा ताकत लगता है, यू नीड अ ग्रेटर फोर्स. सो इफ द ऑब्जेक्ट इज हैवी, मोर फोर्स इज रिक्वायर्ड टू मूव दैट ऑब्जेक्ट. एंड वन मोर थिंग, इफ़ वी वॉन्ट टू मूव द ऑब्जेक्ट फास्ट, अगर हम बेंच को जल्दी मूव करना चाहते हैं तो हमें ज़्यादा फोर्स लगाना होगा, और अगर ऑब्जेक्ट को धीरे धीरे मूव करना चाहते हैं तो कम फोर्स लगाना होगा. सो दीज टू थिंग्स ऑल्सो वी हैव टू कीप इन माइंड दैट वॉट एवर फोर्स वी आर using, it depends on the weight of the object we want to move and how fast we want to move the object. So students, we'll do today this much only. Hope you have understood the chapter. Thank you.